Hello, gearheads. Welcome. Today, we embark on a journey through time and tradition. A journey that celebrates one of the most storied legacies in automotive history. We explore the final Rolls-Royce offered as a rolling chassis. A masterpiece that marked the end of an era for bespoke coach building. This is the story of the Rolls-Royce Phantom 6, a tale of artistry, passion, and impeccable engineering crafted for those who demand nothing but perfection. Introduced in 1968, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 6 is more than just a car. It is a symbol of bespoke luxury, born as an evolution of the Phantom V. This model was shaped by the vision of Sir Henry Royce and his team of ingenious engineers. The Phantom 6 was designed to be a rolling embodiment of refinement and sophistication, a vehicle that conveyed both power and grace in every line. Beneath its elegantly coach-built exterior lay a robust chassis, supported by front coil springs, rear leaf springs, and a live rear axle. Drum brakes at each corner ensured that performance and safety harmonized with opulence. Initially powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Phantom 6 later evolved, embracing a 3-speed automatic and a larger 6.75-liter V8 that delivered greater torque and smoother performance. Each enhancement was a thoughtful nod to both tradition and progress. Every upgrade, every fine detail, speaks of a relentless pursuit of perfection. A pursuit that fills the heart with pride and a touch of wistful longing for a bygone era when every vehicle was a masterpiece. Imagine stepping into a workshop where every detail is treated as a precious work of art. That is the world of Rolls-Royce coach building. The Phantom 6 was conceived as a blank canvas, awaiting the masterful touch of expert coach builders. Renowned names like Mulliner Park Ward became synonymous with this intimate craft, where artisans transformed a pristine chassis into a one-of-a-kind creation that reflected the personality and dreams of its owner. Clients would work hand in hand with these craftsmen, selecting bespoke options that range from exterior styles like Sedanka de Ville and Landaulet designs to personalized interiors featuring sumptuous leather, rich wood veneers, and intricate embroidery. Each detail was curated with passion, resulting in a vehicle that wasn't merely built, but lovingly created, a true reflection of individuality and refined taste. Consider the Alpha models, a series of Phantom 6 editions celebrated for their subtle elegance and added functionality. With defined chrome accents and distinctive 16-inch wheels, these models were engineered with an extra layer of protection, thicker glass and reinforced armor plating that made the rear compartment nearly impenetrable. They whispered the promise of beauty and strength, resonating deeply with those who sought both aesthetics and security in their luxury vehicle. For over 2 decades, the Phantom 6 reigned as the pinnacle of Rolls-Royce's coach-built offerings. With only 374 examples ever built, 50 fewer than its predecessor, the Phantom 5, this model is not merely rare. It is a cherished piece of history. Each Phantom 6 carries with it the weight of a legacy, a story of passion and artistry that spans nearly a century. The Phantom 6's journey is also one of transformation. As the 20th century drew to a close, the once vibrant world of traditional coach building began to yield to modern, standardized manufacturing. The final client-commissioned Phantom 6, delivered in 1991, featured an astounding 177 bespoke design elements, a fitting tribute to an era when every curve and detail was custom crafted with love and precision. This final model was not just another car. It was a farewell, a poignant goodbye to a tradition that had defined Rolls-Royce for generations. It evokes a bittersweet feeling, a mix of pride in its legacy and tender melancholy for the art that once was. The final Rolls-Royce offered as a rolling chassis was a Phantom 6, a model that captured the very soul of bespoke luxury and timeless craftsmanship. This was more than the end of a production line. It was the swan song of a cherished art form, the final verse of a poetic tradition in automotive history. In a world increasingly defined by mass production, the Phantom 6 shone as a rare beacon of individuality. Its rolling chassis was an invitation, a call to collaborate with master coach builders to create a vehicle that was as unique as its owner. This final offering symbolized both an ending and a beginning, a graceful farewell to the era of traditional coach building, and a gentle opening toward a future enriched by modern innovation while still honoring the past. Within the Phantom 6's production run, several remarkable renditions emerged, each adding its own unique note to the symphony of its legacy. The Alpha models, for example, are celebrated for their blend of subtle elegance and enhanced functionality. With defined chrome accents and distinctive wheel designs, these models were engineered with an extra layer of protection, thicker glass and reinforced armor plating that rendered the rear compartment almost impervious. It was a graceful fusion of aesthetics and practicality, evoking both admiration and a playful audacity. Then there was the Oil Barrel, a model famously owned by Queen Elizabeth II, with its raised roof and uniquely styled rear cupola. Known as the Perspex, this Phantom 6 exemplified regal innovation. Its design was a masterclass in blending tradition with bold, new ideas, a symbol of power, elegance, and a quiet defiance of convention. Perhaps the most stirring of all was the final Phantom 6 featuring landaulet coachwork. Finished in a striking black over red color scheme, its red leather interior and velvet accents told a story of passion and intensity. Originally meant to be retained by Rolls-Royce, economic pressures eventually led to its parting in 1993. Today, it stands as a poignant reminder, a living memory of an era when every detail was imbued with personal significance and crafted with utmost care. The journey of Rolls-Royce is one of constant evolution, a relentless pursuit of excellence that has spanned over a century. From its inception in 1906 to its transformation into a symbol of ultra-luxury, Rolls-Royce has continuously pushed the boundaries of automotive design. The tradition of offering rolling chassis was born from a deep-rooted culture of coach building, a custom approach that allowed every client to create a vehicle that truly reflected their personality and desires. As the decades passed, fully monocoque designs began to replace the rolling chassis, marking a significant shift in manufacturing and design philosophy. Yet the spirit of bespoke craftsmanship, the very soul of Rolls-Royce, continued to live on. Under the guidance of legendary coach builders like Mulliner Park Ward, Rolls-Royce maintained its commitment to personalized luxury. Although the era of the rolling chassis has passed, its legacy endures in every finely crafted detail of today's Rolls-Royce models. A reminder that true luxury lies in the art of personalization. Beneath the exquisite coach-built exterior of the Phantom 6 lies a marvel of engineering, a perfect union of power, precision, and technical mastery. Early models were powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, later refined to a robust 6.75-liter variant. These engines, paired with automatic transmissions that evolved from 4-speed to 3-speed systems, delivered a performance that was as graceful as it was potent. The suspension system, with its front coil springs and rear leaf springs supporting a live axle, ensured that every ride was smooth and controlled, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce engineering. The braking system, featuring drum brakes enhanced by high-pressure hydraulic systems borrowed from the Silver Shadow, underscored the brand's unwavering commitment to safety and performance. Every component of the Phantom 6 was meticulously engineered and finely tuned. It wasn't just a car, it was a symphony of mechanical excellence, a harmonious blend of art and science that continues to inspire awe and admiration even today. Today, as we reflect on the final Rolls-Royce offered as a rolling chassis, we honor a legacy steeped in tradition, craftsmanship, and an unwavering pursuit of perfection. The Phantom 6 represents the pinnacle of bespoke luxury, a tangible reminder of a time when every automobile was a canvas for art, a manifestation of individuality and passion. With only 374 examples ever built, each Phantom 6 is a cherished relic, a testament to an era when every detail mattered, when luxury was defined by a personal touch and timeless elegance. It invites us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the extraordinary dedication that went into creating something truly exceptional. Even as modern technology reshapes our world, the influence of bespoke craftsmanship endures. The Phantom 6 stands as a bridge, a graceful connection between a past filled with human artistry and a future driven by innovation, yet always mindful of its heritage. The final Rolls-Royce rolling chassis, the Phantom 6, marks a bittersweet farewell to an era of unparalleled bespoke craftsmanship. It signifies the end of a long-standing tradition, yet it also lights the path to a future where innovation and artistry continue to coexist. In a rapidly changing world, the memory of the Phantom 6 is a comforting reminder that true luxury is timeless. It is built not solely on advanced engineering, but on the passion, care, and personal touch that transforms a machine into a masterpiece. As we step into tomorrow, let us carry forward this legacy, a commitment to excellence, individuality, and the enduring art of creation. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on a time when every car was more than just a mode of transportation. It was a work of art, a labor of love. The final Rolls-Royce rolling chassis, embodied by the Phantom 6, remains a testament to the power of bespoke luxury, a symbol of passion, innovation, and timeless elegance. Thank you for joining us as we explored this remarkable chapter in Rolls-Royce history. In the graceful lines of the Phantom 6, in the deep, commanding hum of its powerful engine, and in the meticulous craftsmanship of every detail, we find a story of human creativity and enduring excellence. This is not merely a vehicle. It is a living tribute to the art of coach building, a legacy that will forever inspire and resonate with those who appreciate the beauty of true luxury.